guys, this is Akshay Nawadkar. I'm very grateful to Team Intellitc Brains who have introduced Career Insight program to us. It was a great initiative by Team Intellitc Brains for the students who are preparing for IIT JEE and NEET entrance exam. I must say they were charming gardeners who have blossomed our career. They taught us to sideway all our obstacles and focus on our career, which was lost due to COVID-19 pandemic. For all their precious guidance, I must say a big thank you, and please keep guiding us as we all need your precious guidance to be like you guys. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Alok Bansude. I'm studying at Disha Academy Wai in 11th class. I got attended the sessions named Career Insights from Intellitic Brains. As they said that you will get a correct direction towards your future, including your own interest field. And literally I got a whole new motto for my life, and it sessions took me to a whole new world of my own interest that is totally unexplainable in the words. Every person who was guiding us was very interactive and friendly with us. There was no relation of a teacher and a student between us. The relation of was brothers and sisters. I would literally like to thank them all, and I would suggest you to try them and attend the sessions, and you will get a correct direction. And again, especially thank to Team Intellitic Brains. Thank you for guiding me towards my future.